Alright friends, now we are learning about logical operators in Python programming. So what is the logical operator? Logical operators are AND, OR, AND, is one of them is AND, the second one is OR operator. So they are written as words AND and OR in Python programming. In different programming languages we use this, we use this is AND and OR. But in Python it's different. So how it works? Let's start with AND operator. For example, A is equal to 5 and then B is equal to 10. So inside the print function I want to check A is greater than, for example 10. I write AND second statement. My second statement could be B is greater than 4, for example. So I'm checking right now. Is A is greater than 10? Is it true? No. It returns false. And B is greater than 4. Is it true? Yes. It returns true. So in AND operator, both statements should be true for returning true values. If one of them is false, it returns false values. So let's check it. I run 17, run it, you see false appears on the screen. If I change my A values from 5 to 15, you see 15 is greater than 10. Right now I run it, you see true appears on the screen. Why? Both statements are true. True and true, it returns true. True and false, it returns false. False and true, it returns false. False and false, it returns false. So the only condition for returning true, both should be true. Both statements should be true. Let's continue with OR. So instead of writing AND, if I use OR operator, what I will see on the screen is true. Both of them are true right now. When I run it, I see true on the screen. In OR operator, if one of them is true, it's enough for me. I mean, true and true returns true in OR operator. True or true returns true. And true or false returns true also. If one of them is true, it's okay for me, it's enough. If false or true, it returns true. So if both of them are false, it returns false. So if I change from 15 to 5 here, I run it, what you will see on the screen is true again. The first condition is false, but second condition is true. If one condition is true, it's enough for me. If I change it from 10 to 1, I run it, what I will see on the screen is false. Because both statements are false, false or false, it returns false. So these operators are very useful when writing if statements or complex conditions. That's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.